Welcome to LEADER day number 14, Live Every Day Challenge. So, this is going to be another interesting topic to get to know more about you for the audience. So in this challenge is that go live and give us a inspirational live stream. The live stream, as you know, is the tool of using your mobile phone and click on the live button and go live on Facebook or Instagram or Periscope. And in this day is that you share with us or share the audience the thought of the day. Talk about a thought you have or an observation. But also it could be a quote of the day. What is your favorite quote and by whom, and how it connects to you and or your audience. And this is a way that your audience will get to know you better. And so this is the challenge for day number 14.